Verifying your bank account on Project Casting is an essential step to ensure you can receive payments for your work. Follow these steps to complete the verification process smoothly. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Project Casting website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Step 2. Access payment settings. Log into your Project Casting account and navigate to the Payment Settings section. This is usually found in your profile or account settings menu. Step 3. Enter bank information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your information. After entering your bank details, you may need to verify the information. This could involve receiving a small deposit from Project Casting into your bank account, which you will need to confirm on the website. Step 5. Confirm verification. Once you receive the deposit, look back into your Project Casting account and enter the amount of the deposit to complete the verification process. Your bank account should now be successfully verified. By following these steps, you can ensure that your bank account is verified on Project Casting, allowing you to receive payments without any issues.